how does it feel working with these women?
Oh my God.
Kamusta ang behind-the-scenes experience ninyo?
Horrible.
Ay! Pag yan nasulat
For
na seryoso.
others to not experience this kind of energy.
Ah.
That's great. Of course, the second time, unahin ko na kay Janine, diba? One of the reasons why, I was really excited to take on the project was with her. Kasi bitin talaga. So, and I know her level of professionalism and, her pagkagusto niya sa mga projects and sa character and her process. So, it's something that I can, ride along with. Parang kami, medyo tswak talaga, sakto. And then, hindi lang kami masyadong magkasama sa set, but I'm so excited that magkasama ulit kami ni Miss Mina. Kasi kailan lang yung last show natin, Okatokat? Parang kailan lang yun, di ba? 10 years ago.
Ganun katagal?
Yeah,
Okatokat pa?
yeah.
Movie o yung series?
Hindi tayo lagi nagkakasama sa eksena. Dapat magkasama tayo. Gawa tayo ng pelikula about kutob. Nakutob. No, I really enjoy the female energy on the set. And, I think it's because I grew up with my mother. And it's very caring, nurturing, di ba? These are like really professional actors. And we're always faced with different challenges on the set. These are warriors on the set. And, I also like the perspective of the opposite sex, diba? So I love to listen and I love to share that energy. So, hindi lang yan kasi kasama namin si Tita Pilar Pilapil dito, she has the best life because she lives in Cebu and she flies to Bacolod or Iloilo. Then she talks about her resort and her life before and things like that. Carlito Sidion Reyna, of course not female, but there's Bernard Palanca. There's like marami pang Desiree's Hill also. She's not here. Si Mara, si Yasi Pressman, di ba? So great people, great character, great attitude on the set. So and minsan din masarap pa lang ma-enjoy na onti lang yung testosterone sa set.
Maiba lang. We're actually showing or flashing some behind-the-scenes photos nakuha sa set. Diba? Some of the scenes, grabe, oh.
Yeah. Nilagyan namin ng pampabaho yung cellphone doon kay Yen, kaya ganun yung reaction niya.
Ang ganda ng set ninyo.
Yeah.
That's Tita Pilar.
Because we're also working with like two of the best female directors in the country. So that's also great.
And this was entirely shot in
Negros.
Negros.
Yes, Negros talaga kami. Tumatawid kami Iloilo and then Bacolod. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, ayaw namin yun.
Okay. Let's move to the next set of questions from G. Trilliana of Malaya Business Insight. For Janine and Jericho, is there a part where you wish to do a project that is light and breezy? Hindi naman yung ganitong super heavy. G is here. Hi, G.
Thanks for that question. That's so nice. We've actually been like calling our friends who are writers, and we're calling, we're asking for light scripts and something fun to do, like action comedy, ganyan, Christmas movie, things like that.
Movie?
Kahit nga TikTok tatanggapin namin para maging light lang.
Ako, yeah, of course. But I'm happy to do any kind of project with you. Masaya
Sige,
talaga
mali yung
ako
sinabi ko. Pasensya na po.
Masaya talaga ako nakatrabaho ka. And for me, personally, sobrang laking pasasalamat ko to get to do this project kasi it's my first time with Star Creatives. And I have been watching their projects since bata pa lang ako. And it's a new energy for me, all new people for me, and bagong kwento talaga siya eh. So, I'm really happy to be a part of this. Kasama na yung challenges na, yung mga hugot, yung mga may hirap na eksena, pero our directors are so supportive at talagang tinulungan kaming mabuo yung mga character at mahanap yung tamang timpla sa mga eksena. So, laking pasasalamat sa directors namin, sa creatives at sa staff on set.
It's also nice that I'm also very, very curious to see that energy ni Janine na mas light and funny, parang ganun, because she's really funny in person. So I wanna play with that energy also. Who's funnier?
Siya.
I think the Senate.
Totoo naman.
Okay. G, thanks for your question. Okay, maganda tong next question from Mac Richard Paglikawan of Lionheart TV.
Rar.
So this is a yes or no question and then may konting explain do sa second part. Have you ever experienced a situation where your loyalty was tested? And did that help you connect with your role?
Para kanino?
For all.
For everyone. Who wants to start? Has your loyalty ever been tested, and
Did that help you connect with your role?
did that help you connect with your role? Parang para sa akin yung tanong Ako ba? Kasi
For all naman.
everyone.
Para
Ikaw na
fair.
muna.
Ako na lang muna kasi kanina pa nadadaldal. I think, I mean, of course, my loyalty has been tested many, many times. But, so, doon ako nagkaroon ng clarity with my character. So, I'm not perfect, but, you know, thank God. Thank God He has shown me a lot of lessons in life that would help me choose the other, go towards the other direction. So, thank you.
I like that you mentioned that. Nobody's perfect naman talaga eh.
Oo naman.
Diba? Ang ganda rin sinabi ni Jay kanina eh. Yung parang living a life without a lie. Is that even possible? It's not. Wow, galit. Seryoso. Others. Kira, ikaw, was there a time your loyalty was tested and did that help you connect with your role?
Oh, yes. I think nobody is, ano tawag dito? Walang ligtas sa mga ganun. It's part of growing up. It's part of, maturing and discovering who you are. Can't lie, I have made my mistakes because I'm not perfect either. Pero with my character, hindi sobrang lover girl niya eh. As in, hindi siya bibitaw. Yun.
Saka, ang ganda rin nung sinabi ni Jay kanina. Ang dami actually sinabi si Jay na maganda eh. Ang dami kong napulot sa kanya eh. Kikinig lang ako kanina eh. Yen, your loyalty was tested?
Yes, many times. Marami na rin mga pagkakamali, syempre. Pero,
I
sa
like the emotional
character-
cost.
Sa character ko kasi, she has a son. So parang hindi na lang pagiging loyal mo bilang tao eh. Parang yung mangingibabaw yung responsibility mo at yung pagmamahal mo at kung hanggang saan mo mapoprotektahan yung anak mo.
To survive.
Yes. So yun.
Saka ang ganda na sinabi ni, ito naman kay Jay na naman ako, yung loyalty naman hindi lang sa relationship eh. Hindi lang sa romantic relationship. It's with other things. Nina, was there a time your loyalty was tested?
Yes, I was about to say nga, sa work natin, di ba? We're always tested, yung loyalty natin sa work. So parang, and that's, for me, isa yun sa mahirap kasi parang, kasi, di ba, palagi natin naririnig, hindi ka mapapakain ng loyalty. Di ba? Yan ang maririnig mo, di ba? Yung paninindigan, hindi, ganyan. So, palagi yan sa work, hindi man sa relationship, sa work. So, if ever I get stuck, dun sa, kunwari, stuck ako in between, na hindi mo alam saan ba ako pupunta, will I stay para lang to show my loyalty, or do I need to move on? So, minsan may mga ganong sitwasyon. So, ang hirap mag-decide, so ipapasa Diyos mo talaga. Kasi diba minsan, wala eh, parang pumunta ka dito, may mali. Pumunta ka dito, may mali pa rin. So, parang pag ganun na, pag talagang wala ka ng ibang pupuntahan, magdadasal ka na lang and just, Lord, just take me kung saan ako dapat. And then, just trust Him. Kasi, minsan ang hirap na talaga eh. So, yun lang pagdating sa work.
Thank you, Mina. Micah?
Yes. Has my loyalty been tested? Of course. It's so hard to say as well. Pero work, yes. Relationship, yes. But at the end of the day, I just go back to my core, stay true to myself, and then let it flow.
Right. Relationship, work, even friendship. Right? Diba? Natitest din doon eh. Yung loyalty. Elise.
I was gonna add also friendships, all the types of relationships. Other than that, lagi din natetest yung loyalty natin when it comes to our morals. Kasi dito sa, yung loyalty testers, ang dami mo talaga matututunan because us, we are driven by, our, chance and survival. Kaya kami nandito. Kaya ginagawa namin yun eh. So, parang yung question na, who are you when no one's looking? Doon I guess, manggagaling yung loyalty. Like, ano ba yung morals mo and yung core values mo? And paano ka magiging loyal doon? Kailangan mo mag-survive. Kailangan mong kumita. Kailangan mong kumayod. Ano yung kaya mong gawin? Hanggang saan? So I guess yun yung, other than relationships and all that other aspect in loyalty, yun din eh.
Parang integrity.
Integrity mo. Gano'n ka ka-loyal doon? Yun.
Sophia?
Na-test na ba yung loyalty ko? Yes, many times. Siyempre, I think when it comes to friendship, But, sa character, yung nanay ko kasi, nag-iba ng pamilya. So, dapat siya yung kakapitan ko, di ba? Wala rin. So now, ang kinakapitan ko is yung friends ko. At alam kong totoo sa akin. So there's hope here for her na hindi ka nag-iisa.
Right.
You have friends. And
Your loyalty is with the friends.
Yes.
Ah.
Yes. And mga kapatid ko. Ayan. And kailangan ko talaga sila sa journey na yun kasi without them, I'll break.
That's a different texture. I like it.
Yeah.
Diba? Hindi lang siya romantic relationship. It's
Yes.
loyalty to the friends who take care of me. Diba,
Yes.
no?
And doon ko napatunayan na may mga friends talaga na they really stick with you no matter what. And that's very important.
Thank you, Sophia. Janine?
Yes, oo. And I think loyalty is a choice. So, if dumating sa point na sobrang natetest yung loyalty mo, it's also a sign to reevaluate. Yun nga, ikaw, yung morals mo, yung values mo, yung relationship mo. So, siguro kung merong tumatagilid, parang kailangan mo talagang mag-stop and parang assess the situation at pumili ng tama kung saang path ang tatahakin mo.
You wanna say something, Jericho?
I think it's also nice to look at it on a different light na when we are tested kasi, when we're talking about loyalty and yung na-test yung loyalty natin, it's always like, this is a reflection of us na masama tayo kasi na-test yung loyalty. No, hindi eh. Sometimes, your loyalty being tested is just a tool. Sometimes it's a tool in life to let you know how important that person is to you. Sometimes it's also a gift na natetest yung loyalty mo. For example, loyalty mo sa country. Di ba?
That's another one.
That's another thing, di ba? Then, papakita niya sa'yo kung ano talaga yung importante sa'yo. It's not always that you're a bad person. Gusto ko na nga maging French minsan eh, pero hindi ko pa talaga kaya.
Hindi, pero
Sisiu.
ang ganda rin nung sinabi mo, Jericho, na
Yeah.
it's not necessarily bad agad.
It's not bad agad.
Oo. Kasi parang inisip mo agad, the game, hinuhuli mo kaagad, bad na kaagad. Diba?
Kaya parang I guess some of the loyalty testers, di ba? Maybe some of them take pride in their job. Maybe, I think. Yeah.
Alright. Jay, bakit ito ang tamang panahon para ikwento at mapanood ang The Loyalty Game? Why is this relevant, napapanahon?
Bakit ngayon? Because actually the audience now craves for something different. And also craves for something that is familiar. Ganyan naman yung Filipino audience. There's always something that we want to be entertained with. Siguro ngayon because ang dami ding nangyayari sa bansa natin, people would want something that will entertain them and yet at the same time would make them reflect on their lives, on certain realities that they go through. Kasi kunyari we talk about loyalty, it's something that is something we talk about beyond the context of a relationship nowadays. Who is loyal to who is connected to who. But at the end of the day, who betrays who? Kaya parang yung question na yun, can I betray myself? Is that something that at the end of the day, you are loyal to who you are. You are loyal to what you need and who you are as a person. And so the biggest betrayal will be betraying yourself. And that is a question that I think is relevant that we talk about, because at the end of the day, we can do something with our lives, empower ourselves. So, and this is a story of people empowering themselves, diba? With truth,
Right.
with reality, and of course, at the end of the day, tignan natin kung who wins this game.
Saka sa mga nangyayari sa paligid ngayon, a lot of loyalty checks are
Yes.
happening. So, just to end our masayang Q&A tonight, in one word, describe the loyalty game. Micah.
Turmoil.
Turmoil. Grabe naman ang dictionary ni Carlota. Turmoil. Kira, in one word? Recitation, you know?
Oh, I think it's gonna get messy.
Messy. Yen.
Kakaiba.
Kakaiba. Elise.
Manipulation.
Oh. Carmina.
Interesting.
Interesting. Sophia.
Chaos.
Chaos. Janine.
Boogs.
Uy! Gusto ko yun. Boogs.
One sound lang ako, boogs.
And Janine?
Or pakak.
Revelatory.
Revelatory!
Laki ng dictionary sa bahay. Ang laki ng dictionary sa bahay.
Isa lang ang ibig sabihin niya, kaabang-abang talaga ang the loyalty game.
I think, yeah.
Jericho and Janine, please do the honors. Invite everybody.
Ay,
Pero, akala ko Boogs na eh.
pwede na ba yun?
Ikaw, do you have a different word in mind?
Yeah, I do. I think it's actually revealing. Isa siyang show na nang huhubad ng pagkatao. Nang huhubad.
Ganda.
Pero bugs na lang, mas masaya yung bugs.
Oo, sa'yo. Ganda ng Boogs eh.
Bugs na lang.
Jericho,
Okay.
Janine, please invite everybody.
Yeah.
Yes, mga kapamilya, malapit na po the loyalty game. It's coming out on Prime Video, streaming on Prime Video very, very soon, starting
July 3. Starting July 3, a very, very new show. New, exciting, captivating, interesting, intriguing, bugs na bugs
Yon!
show will be coming your way. So, wag niyong palampasin because we are very proud of this show. The show is brought to you by ABS-CBN Studios, Star Creatives, and this is the cast, the beautiful cast of the Loyalty Game coming soon. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.
There you have it. Thank you so much.